Just finishing up a home inspection and sale here in Tuscany, and I'll take you through this home and I'll show you what you can buy in Calgary now for about $600,000. Let's have a look. Welcome to Tuscany, one of Northwest Calgary's most family-friendly neighborhoods. This area is known for its scenic pathways, mountain views, and easy access to the mountains. It's also very popular with families thanks to its highly rated schools, playgrounds, and the community clubhouse. You've got excellent access to major roads like Stony Trail and Crowchild Trail, plus the Tuscany Sea Train station makes commuting really convenient. One of the best parts about living here is the lifestyle, whether it's walking and biking the trails, golfing nearby, or enjoying the many parks. There's always something to do in Tuscany. And a home like this for $600,000, I think that's a pretty good deal in Northwest Calgary, which tends to be a bit pricier. So this is a two-story home, priced just under $600,000 and offers 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. So 3 up, 1 down. The sellers have lived here for about 20 years and really cared for the home, so you can really tell it has the pride of ownership. The main floor has newer engineered hardwood, bright open living and dining space, and a functional kitchen with stainless steel appliances, gas stove, and a nice corner pantry. Upstairs you'll find master bedroom, 2 secondary bedrooms, full bath, and the master has an ensuite as well with a walk-in closet. The basement is fully developed with permits. It includes a cozy family room with a gas fireplace and a 4th bedroom downstairs and another full bathroom and a laundry area. Outside you've got a south-facing front yard fronting onto a park, I should say, and a backyard with a maintenance-free deck that's perfect for summer evenings. And you also have a double garage, which is a big bonus. But this garage actually has a door on the front and the back. So you could store maybe a small RV, a boat, or a trailer in the backyard. And again, all of this for about $600,000 in Northwest Calgary is pretty rare. So I wanted to show you that you can still find nice, affordable homes in Calgary. If you are thinking about making a move, you could use some help buying, selling, or relocating. Feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. In the pinned comment, I've got a buyer's guide, seller's guide, and a relocation guide free for download. I'd love to be a resource, and I will see you on the next video.